Pig the Stinker, written by Aaron Blabey. Pig was a pug, and I'm sorry to say, his personal hygiene was far from okay.
Oh, yeah, that's the good stuff.
Pig liked to get dirty. He frankly was rank. His paws could be frightful. His fur often stank. He wasn't offended by odor or smell.
Oh, man, this is good.
And if you weren't careful, he'd smell you as well.
Excuse me?
He'd play with all kinds of unspeakable muck.
Hey, Trevor, catch!
And do things to make you scream. Don't do that! Yuck! He leaked out a stench that could not be forgotten. He reeked. He was rancid. In short, he was rotten.
Come here, old buddy, old pal.
Ew.
So bath time was called. You stinky old mutt. You need a good clean from your ears to your butt.
No! It took forever to get my butt this stinky.
But Pig turned his tail, and before you could grab it, he was out of that room like a foul little rabbit.
I have a prior engagement.
They chased him, but Pig was a devious knack for ducking and weaving and doubling back.
They can't clean me if they can't catch me.
And once he had lost them, he used a small toy to block up the pipes that he hooted with joy. By the time they had found him, Pig boogied with glee. You won't get me, your soapy old water on me.
Another win for the pig.
They watched as Pig gloated. They watched as Pig crowed.
Pig?
They watched as Pig's plan made the bathroom explode. These days it's different, I'm happy to say. If you tell Pig it's bath time, he won't disobey.
Isn't this nice, Pig?
But although you can wash him with soap, cloth, and towel, there's nothing getting round it. Pig is just foul.
Pig!
Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff.